on the road again now. Heading down from Davie down towards the Homestead, Florida. Getting ready to ride.
I'm glad that we're shielded by those people. I just saw an alligator.
That little alligator you see there is probably about 3 to 4 years old. Very, very young. Out here in the wild, they actually live quite a bit. 50 to 60 years old. It's common. Sometimes they live a long time.
Baby alligator.
I saw the number one. The spectacled caimans.
So cute.
They're actually from Central America. They were brought here many years ago. People let them go. Now, if you don't. Yeah, hold on. Let me pull up this other alligator first. Another alligator here on the right. He'll pop up right now. There he is.
I can see an alligator. Oh, he's larger.
All right, guys, here we go.
Oh, hold on the side.
Alright, we're done with the airboat ride. What did you think?
Great. This is the one to do.
Sam,
Sit on it. I'll get your
did you enjoy the airboat ride?
Yes.
Do you like getting to see alligators?
Yes.
Joy, did you have fun?
Those cute little ones. And I like that.
It was fun getting sprayed with water. We actually got to see some alligators on this one.
And we seen a caiman.
And a caiman and all the herons.
I'm just joking, Sam. Go right ahead. You got it. You got him, don't worry. You got him. Alright, there we go.
Yeah, good job, Sam.
Alright, Sam, you did great. There you go. So that's the snake I really want to show. Small one. Alright, so the bigger snake she has there, that is a boa constrictor. So, before the boa constrictor swallows its prey, they're going to wrap around the neck first. But if it starts to get tight, let me know, okay? So I can get them off. Open. So this one here is our the reticulated python. The reticulated python is from Southeast Asia. This snake is illegal to own out here in Florida. The reason for that is because when full grown, this snake can get up to 33 feet long, which makes it the longest snake in the world when full grown. Now your anaconda is going to be your heaviest snake. Pound for pound, it is the biggest snake, weight-wise. But length-wise, this is going to be your longest snake.
Here we're looking at the hatchling alligators. Look at that.
They moved them.
That's a huge one.
My goodness. 3 to 4 years old. Ah, yes. Oh, so those over there are 1 to 2 years old. These are 3 to 4 years old.
Lots and lots of alligators.
Don't worry, dragging the alligator by the tail does not harm the alligator at all. Especially this big guy right here.
There we go, alligator.
This alligator here, about 7 feet, between 185 and 190 pounds. So almost the same weight as me. The only difference, this alligator is going to be 10 times stronger than me. Alright. So the first technique I'm going to show you is called a quick capture. I'm going to try and get on the back of the alligator safely. This is what we call here the Florida smile, guys. Since the alligator has 80 teeth, 40 teeth on the top, 40 teeth on the bottom. Now the reason he just slammed those jaws shut right now is because when the jaws are open, anything that goes inside the jaws of the alligator, he's going to slam them shut right away. And what fell in there was just a little bit of sand. Some of that sand. This size alligator, that bite force is going to be around 2,000 pounds of pressure. The next technique I'm going to use is called bulldogging. This technique was used when the natives would go out and hunt alligators alone. They did need a way to tie the jaws for themselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the alligator's jaws in between just my chin and my chest.
Ah, you must like it.
That's how they would tie the jaws of the alligator. Now all that was cool, but I still have to get off this alligator safely. So covering the eyes of the alligator does keep the alligator calm. Also, he will not be able to see which way I'm getting up. So the more sun they get, the more energy they have. They do also need the sun and the heat to digest their food. Alligators do not chew their food. Everything they eat, they swallow whole.
watching this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.